You want to repair a vehicle part with the help of the new epoxy base body filler. Begin as usual by covering the vehicle and sand the appropriate area down to the metal. Clean the surface generously with silicone remover. Now prepare the filler. Follow the safety instructions and remove the label from the cartridge. Put on protective gloves and open the container. Then put the static mixer onto the cartridge and place it in a manual or electric mastic gun. Press the material out of the cartridge into the static mixer. Apply a bead of about 10 centimeters on a piece of paper. This makes sure that both components were mixed thoroughly. If the material has a temperature of between 15 to 35 degrees Celsius, then it's ready for use. Apply the filler generously and in wavy lines. Make sure that the filler never comes in contact with primed or painted surfaces. Then spread the material. The curing is next. At room temperature, the drying can take somewhere between 8 and 24 hours, depending on the thickness and the ambient temperature. With an infrared light at 60 degrees Celsius, the drying time is shortened to 1 hour. Once all layers are fully cured, the sanding then follows. Afterwards, clean the surface again with silicone remover. Now, if pores or small bumps appear, apply a layer of fine filler. The following steps are done as usual.